Warning: this common mistake in your home causes lung cancer. Don't do this. Did you know that a simple mistake in your daily routine could be putting you and your family at risk of developing lung cancer? It's something so common that it often goes unnoticed, but can have devastating consequences for your health. The truth is, many of us are making this mistake inside our homes without realizing it, thinking we're safe when, in reality, we're exposing ourselves to silent dangers. What's even more alarming is that few people talk about this, leaving you vulnerable to this invisible risk. What might be happening in your home that could be affecting your health without you realizing it? How can a seemingly harmless habit turn into a serious health issue? And most importantly, what can you do right now to protect yourself and your loved ones? These are questions that need urgent answers. Get ready, because what you're about to discover in this video might completely change the way you view your home's safety. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Nearly 90% of the people who watch our videos every week forget to subscribe to the channel and therefore don't receive our videos packed with tips and valuable health information that could save lives. The hidden danger in your home. Imagine that within the place that should be the safest in the world, your own home, there could be invisible enemies lurking, putting your family's health at risk. Common products you use daily might contain substances capable of causing serious illnesses, like cancer. And without realizing it, you might be endangering the lives of those you love most. But recognizing these risks is the first step toward protecting your loved ones and ensuring a safe and healthy environment for everyone. What are volatile organic compounds? Volatile organic compounds are chemical substances that easily turn into vapors or gases, even at room temperature. They are present in a wide range of products we use daily, from paints and solvents to cleaning products and perfumes. The great danger of these compounds is that when inhaled, they can accumulate in the body over time, creating an environment conducive to the development of various diseases, including cancer. Imagine that fresh paint smell lingering in the air for days. It's a sign that these compounds are present and could be harming your health without you realizing it. When you use a disinfectant or an air freshener, for instance, you might be releasing volatile organic compounds that, although they make the environment seem cleaner and fresher, could be contributing to indoor air pollution. To minimize these risks, an alternative is to opt for natural products like vinegar or baking soda, which are effective in cleaning without releasing harmful substances. Evaluating the products we use daily and seeking safer options is a crucial step in protecting everyone's health at home. How to identify toxic products in your home. Identifying toxic products in your home might seem like a daunting task, but with a bit of attention to labels and ingredients, it's possible to significantly reduce risks. Start by checking the cleaning products and cosmetics you use. Items like detergents, disinfectants, and even some perfumes might contain dangerous chemicals. A practical tip is to look for products that contain ingredients like benzene, formaldehyde, or toluene. These substances are known for their harmful effects on health, and avoiding them can make a big difference. Another way to identify toxic products is to pay attention to the reactions they cause. If a cleaning product leaves you or a family member with headaches, eye irritation, or breathing difficulties, it could be a sign that it contains harmful compounds. Replacing these products with natural or organic alternatives, such as vinegar, baking soda, or coconut soap, could be a safer choice. Additionally, keeping your home well ventilated and storing chemicals out of children's reach are simple measures that help minimize risks. 6 dangerous volatile organic compounds. Among the many volatile organic compounds found in household products, some stand out for their highly harmful potential to health. Formaldehyde, for example, is found in pressed wood furniture, such as MDF, and in cleaning products. This substance is known to be carcinogenic and can cause severe irritation to the eyes, nose, and throat. Another common compound is benzene, found in solvents and even in paints, which has been linked to leukemia and other serious diseases. Besides these, toluene, often found in nail polish removers and adhesives, can affect the central nervous system, causing headaches and even neurological damage with prolonged use. Chloroform, which can be released during water disinfection with chlorine, has been linked to liver damage. Meanwhile, styrene, found in plastic products, can increase the risk of cancer over time. Finally, acetaldehyde, found in tobacco and some foods, is another compound that deserves attention, as it is associated with respiratory diseases and cancer. Avoiding or minimizing contact with these compounds is essential to maintain good health. 15 common household items that can cause cancer. Item 1. Insect repellents. Some repellents contain DEET, an active ingredient that has been associated with neurological problems and increased cancer risk. Frequent use and prolonged exposure to these products can allow these substances to be absorbed through the skin and enter the bloodstream, where they can cause long-term damage. Item 2. Microwave ovens. Using plastic containers in the microwave can release dioxins, highly toxic compounds that can contaminate food and increase cancer risk. When plastic is heated, harmful chemicals can migrate into the food, especially if the container is damaged or not microwave safe. This is particularly dangerous because dioxins are known for their cumulative effects on the body. Item 3. Paints. Some paints, especially oil-based ones, contain benzene and other volatile organic compounds that can be inhaled and harm health. Applying paints indoors can release these substances into the air, increasing the risk of respiratory problems and cancer. Opting for water-based paints or those with low volatile organic compound content is a safer alternative. Item 4. Cosmetics. Some cosmetics contain chemicals like talc contaminated with asbestos, which is a known carcinogen. Prolonged use of cosmetics containing these ingredients, especially in sensitive areas of the body, can increase the risk of skin cancer and other types. Choosing cosmetics that use natural ingredients and are free from talc is a safer option. Item 5. Pressed wood furniture. These pieces of furniture, made from materials like particle board or medium-density fiberboard, can release formaldehyde, a volatile organic compound considered carcinogenic. Formaldehyde is used as an adhesive in the manufacture of these pieces, and its release into the air can occur over years, exposing residents to a continuous risk. Prolonged exposure to formaldehyde is associated with cancers of the respiratory tract. Item 6. Carpets. Many carpets are treated with chemicals like flame retardants, which are known to be carcinogenic. These products are used to make carpets more fire-resistant, but the problem is that over time, these substances can be released into the air of your home and inhaled by everyone. Prolonged exposure to these substances can increase the risk of developing cancers, especially lung cancer. Item 7. Water filters. Filters that are not regularly changed can accumulate harmful bacteria and chemicals. These contaminants can pass into the water you consume, increasing the risk of cancers and other diseases. Properly maintaining filters, replacing them according to the manufacturer's recommendations, is essential to ensure that the water is truly clean and safe. Item 8. Scented candles. When burned, scented candles can release benzene and toluene, which are carcinogenic substances. These compounds are released into the air during the burning of the candle and can be inhaled by everyone in the house. Frequent use of scented candles in enclosed spaces can significantly increase exposure to these dangerous compounds, affecting air quality and health. Item 9. Hairsprays. Hairsprays contain formaldehyde and other chemicals that can be inhaled and cause health problems. In addition to formaldehyde, many hairsprays use solvents and propellants that can irritate the respiratory system and are linked to an increased risk of cancers like nasopharyngeal cancer. Item 10. Cleaning products. Many cleaning products contain volatile organic compounds, which can be inhaled and harm your health. Substances like ammonia and chlorine, present in many of these products, can irritate the eyes, nose, and throat, as well as increase the risk of respiratory diseases and cancer in the long term. The danger is greater in poorly ventilated environments where the vapors from these products can concentrate. Item 11. Water-resistant clothing. Clothes treated with chemicals to repel water may contain perfluorooctane sulfonate, a substance linked to cancer. These chemicals are used to create a barrier against water, but they can also be absorbed through the skin or inhaled when the clothing is worn, increasing the risk of long-term health problems. Item 12. Plastic containers. Certain plastics, especially those containing bisphenol A, can release harmful chemicals when heated or exposed to acidic or fatty foods. These substances can contaminate food and have been linked to cancer, especially breast and prostate cancer. Using glass or ceramic containers can be a safer alternative. Item 13. Non-DEET pans. When overheated, these pans can release perfluorinated compounds, which have been linked to cancer. These substances are used to create the non-stick surface of the pans, but when exposed to high temperatures, they can break down and release toxic fumes. Inhaling these fumes, even in small amounts, can have harmful effects on long-term health. Item 14. Chemical fertilizers. Using chemical fertilizers in gardens can expose people to toxic compounds that increase cancer risk. Many of these products contain substances like nitrates and pesticides, which can contaminate the soil and water, entering the food chain. Continuous exposure to these compounds, especially through skin contact or inhalation of dust, can increase the risk of cancers such as stomach cancer and lymphoma. Item 15. Deodorants. Many deodorants contain parabens, which are used as preservatives to prolong the product's shelf life. These compounds can be absorbed through the skin and have been associated with breast cancer, especially in women. Studies suggest that parabens can mimic estrogen in the body, promoting the growth of cancer cells. 5 tips to reduce cancer risk at home. Tip 1. Use glass or ceramic containers for heating food. Instead of using plastic containers, which can release bisphenol A when heated, opt for glass or ceramic containers. Bisphenol A is a chemical that can contaminate food and is associated with an increased risk of cancer, especially breast and prostate cancers. This simple switch can have a significant impact on reducing health risks. Tip 2. Keep your home well ventilated. Proper ventilation is crucial to prevent the buildup of harmful substances in the air. Opening windows regularly, especially after using cleaning products or painting walls, helps disperse toxic compounds and maintain a healthier environment. This also prevents the continuous inhalation of these substances, which can increase cancer risk. Tip 3. Replace conventional cleaning products with natural alternatives. Instead of using disinfectants filled with toxic compounds, try simple solutions like white vinegar and baking soda. These ingredients are effective in cleaning and much less harmful to health. They don't release volatile organic compounds into the air, reducing exposure to substances that can increase cancer risk. Tip 4. Invest in safe furniture and building materials. Choosing furniture and building materials that don't release volatile organic compounds, like formaldehyde, is essential for health. Choose for solid wood or materials certified as environmentally safe. These products ensure better indoor air quality, reducing exposure to potentially carcinogenic substances. Tip 5. Choose natural deodorants without parabens. Natural deodorants that don't contain parabens or other preservatives are a safer alternative. Parabens can be absorbed through the skin and, over time, increase the risk of developing cancer, especially breast cancer. Choosing products free of these compounds is an important preventive measure. 4 ways to prevent cancer caused by volatile organic compounds. Method 1. Choose for natural cleaning products. Replacing conventional cleaning products with natural alternatives can reduce the amount of volatile organic compounds in the air. Ingredients like vinegar and baking soda are effective in cleaning without exposing your family to dangerous chemicals. Method 2. Use air purifiers with activated carbon filters. Air purifiers with activated carbon filters are effective in removing volatile organic compounds from the air. These filters capture harmful particles and gases, improving indoor air quality. Placing a purifier in high-exposure areas can significantly reduce risks. Method 3. Choose low-volatile organic compound paints and finishes. Prefer low-volatile organic compound paints and finishes when painting or renovating your home. These products release fewer toxic substances, making the environment safer. Additionally, ventilate the newly painted space well before using it. Method 4. Improve home ventilation. Ventilation is an effective way to reduce the concentration of volatile organic compounds in the environment. Keeping windows open and using exhaust fans helps circulate the air and disperse harmful compounds. This is especially important in areas like the kitchen and bathroom, where the concentration of these compounds can be higher. If you have anything to add, please share it with us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm leaving 2 videos on the screen that I'm sure you'll enjoy. I'll see you there.